I ain't worth more than the thought of me. I gotta be the Lord, said I'm worth it all when he paid the whole fee. Put his spirit in my heart so that I can be free. Way be, you will find liberty and have peace every damn way. Gotta give thanks, gotta pray. Whatever my hands gotta do, I gotta do it great. Go the whole way, gotta stay focused in the paint. Bottle in my face, I don't want.
Hey, yo, Wasgucci, Nay, gang. Hey, it's your girl, Nay, back with another video. Hey, what's good, y'all? If you are new, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell right next to it so you know if I every single time I upload a video. If you are back, welcome back. If you're new, what's good? So, y'all, I know we are in quarantine. Well, if you're not an essential worker, most of us are in quarantine. So, I figured that I will give y'all some video ideas. This is for YouTubers or people who think about starting a channel. This is for you guys. Video ideas while we're in quarantine. I have over 30, clearly, as you can see by the time of this video. But y'all, let's get right into it. So, first things first. Don't come for me about this. Anyway, I wrote it down, yes. So, if you see me looking down, I'm looking at my notes. So, my first video idea for people to do is Netflix recommendations, because everybody's watching Netflix. People watching Hulu too, but I know Netflix is like popular or whatever. So yeah, you can do Netflix recommendations. Second is anime recommendations. I may or may not do this because, you know, I'm a little behind, but you know, if you know your anime stuff or whatever, do that. I'm telling you, people are going to love that. Third is a get ready with me. You can also do a get ready with me to go nowhere video, because honestly, where are we gonna go? Like, we're all stuck in this house. Period. So you can do that. People love that. The fourth is quarantine morning routines. Now, people's morning routines may have changed because, like, some people either go running or they go to, like, the gym or whatnot. I mean, clearly we can't go to the gym because we all are in a stay-at-home quarantine joint. So, yeah, do that and just, you know, switch up the way you guys switch it up for your quarantine movement. Alright, fifth video idea that you can do while you're in quarantine is a workout with me, home workout with me, same thing. Because, yeah, people want to see different workout routines. Since we can't go nowhere, might as well share the love so everybody can get snatched and back in shape before we leave this house. Six is a shop with me, an online shop with me. People love these type of videos anyway, but, you know, quarantine edition, you know, and then you just show people when it gets delivered to your house or whatnot. If you want to do that, that's up to you. 7 is TikTok challenges, because everybody's on TikTok now. TikTok blew up as quarantine increased, so yeah, you can do that. 8, TikTok life hacks. People love these type of videos. There's a bunch of them on TikTok, so just take them and do it as your own. I've seen them. Think they're pretty cool. Am I going to do it? Probably not, but that's just me. Anyway, yeah, so you can do that. 9 is clean with me. People love to watch people clean for whatever reason. 10, cook with me. People love to see people cook. An office tour. Number 11 is an office tour. You know, if you have a business or whatnot, or just like a little studio or whatever, an office tour, you can do that. 12, thoughts about the virus and quarantine. Simple enough. 13 is self-care. 14, I already said that. Oh, okay, no, I'm gonna switch this one up. 14, shop with me. So, like, if you're going out grocery shopping during this quarantine, you can take, you know, people along with you, and they can see you know, you trying to shop for groceries, even though right now it's a struggling time because everybody want to buy everything like this. So want to stop this coronavirus. But yeah, that's what you can do. A shop with me. Number 15, Amazon favorites. That has been a trending video on YouTube lately, so definitely hop on that. You might as well, because what else you gonna do? You in the house. So yeah. 16 is unpopular opinions. These videos are popular anyway, so you could do one about anything, or you can do unpopular opinions quarantine edition, where you talk about your unpopular opinions about this quarantine and the coronavirus and stuff like that. So that's definitely a thought to start thinking about. 17, entrepreneur life while in quarantine. So for people who have businesses, you can most definitely do a entrepreneur life while in quarantine video, because people want to see how you are still running your business and the struggles and stuff, because depending on if like your vendors in China and stuff like that, it can be hard to get stuff and run your business nowadays. So you can do that. 18, a YouTube behind the scenes. So I know like your favorite YouTubers and stuff and things like that, like you might want to see like what they're doing. So like if you're a YouTuber yourself, you can show people behind the scenes where things go down, like your studio setup, or like where you record, how you edit, and things like that. So I hope y'all taking notes. Like I really hope y'all are jotting down some of these ideas. Cause sis and bruh, like, I'm giving you nuggets right now. Nuggets. Okay, so number 19 is tips and advice videos. You can give tips and advice about anything. So find a subject that you think people may not know about, or that you know do a video where you know a lot of things about a particular subject and give tips and advice to people, and you can help them out. Number 20 is a plan with me. We stuck in the house. You can plan the rest of your year and do it on camera. I mean, because what else you going to do? Might as well. Number 21 is an organize with me. People love to see people organize stuff for whatever reason, because I know I do when it comes to certain things. So an organize with me video would be perfect. Oh, number 22, how to make the most while in quarantine. I think these videos are important because people are in their houses and about to go crazy, so just to hear another voice to say how you can make the most and what you can do and stuff like that, I think that would be very helpful for people. Number 24. Oh, I skipped. 23, day in the life while in quarantine. These videos are very popular now because we're all stuck in the house, sis and bruh. Well, most of us. But yeah, we all stuck. So, a day in the life, might as well. 24, makeup challenges. I don't do makeup. I don't wear makeup. But for any of those girls out there that do wear makeup, do a makeup challenge. You can do just a makeup challenge with yourself. You can do a makeup challenge. You can do a makeup challenge with yourself. You can do a makeup challenge with your friends, or I saw like a thumbnail, like a FaceTime makeup challenge, stuff like that. So you can do that. Number 25 is a room tour. Like if you, I don't know, just a room tour. If you have a room that you feel like is interesting, you want people to see, do a room tour. Number 26, a furnished apartment tour. If you have moved during all this craziness, or you were in the process of moving and now your apartment's now furnished, do that. Or an empty apartment tour at that. Well, no, a furnished one. Because if it's empty, that means you gotta keep on going in and out, and I want to encourage everybody to stay in the house. So, yeah, a furnished apartment tour. There you go. Number 27, what's on my iPhone. Those are popular videos anyway. We love to see what apps people have on their phone, so you might as well do what's on my iPhone. Number 28, DIY projects, whatever project that you may have been working on before the virus, or that you had thought of while on the virus, while in quarantine and during this virus. Record it and let people get inspired, and maybe they can think of something of their own. Number 29 is a nighttime routine, quarantine edition. I know that a lot of people don't have all their regular products because things may be sold out. So just show what you're using currently, unless you got like that and you just stocked up before everything started happening. So if you do that, you Gucci, you feel me? Number 30 is clothing hauls. I like to watch clothing hauls. Personally, I do clothing hauls. I will make sure I link my clothing hauls above if I can. If not, it will be in the description box down below. But yes, people love to watch clothing hauls. And if you did the online shopping with me video idea and you bought clothes, then you can do the clothing haul from that. See, you just got 2 videos right there. You're welcome. Anyway, number 31 is a 10 things to do while in quarantine video. I actually have a video like that. I don't know if that will be before or after this video. It might be after. But if it's before, I'll make sure I link that up above in the card. Yeah, above in the cards as well. But if that video isn't out before then that video will be coming after this one. So be on the lookout for that if it's not already out. Number 32 is a story time. People love story times. I love story times if it's animated enough. You feel me? But yeah, story time videos. Make sure that story times are actually realistic and actually have happened. Just saying. We good? We clear? Okay. So we good. Number 33 is pulling an all-nighter. I was thinking about doing this. I could do this because I pull all-nighters all the time, to be honest. But yeah, pulling an all-nighter where you don't sleep and people just do whatever. I don't know what people do during those videos. But yeah, you can do that. Number 33 is a mukbang. Same thing. Quarantine edition. So like if you have food delivered to your house, or if you cook and want to do it like that, you can do that. And just have a mukbang. And I guess talk about the quarantine and the coronavirus or whatever you choose. That's up to you. And number 35, get productive with me while in quarantine. Yeah, I think those videos are really relevant because it seems like nowadays people are just bored. But if people see productivity, then maybe they'll be inspired to get productive themselves. So yeah, and I have a bonus one for you guys. It is product review videos. Now, when I say that, I mean products that you already have in your house that you have not reviewed and you feel like it's reviewable. Or if you do the online shopping video, or if you're out with the shop with me video, you can get whatever and then review the products from there. You feel me? So it all kind of correlates together. But that is the end of this video. I hope that is helpful. Comment some more video ideas down below if you can think any. Give me a thumbs up and smash that like button because it helps me out a lot. And let me know your thoughts. And let's have a discussion in the chat down below. I hope that this video was helpful and that I gave people some ideas, and that, you know, that we can all just make strides together, you feel me? So, and some of these things you can do even after this whole quarantine thing, but I feel like right now these are just things that you can do in the house. I think I am going to have another video where I just have video ideas, period, in general, that you can do. So let me know if you would like to see that, and I can most definitely do that after this quarantine is over. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please, again, subscribe if you haven't. Follow me on my social media. I'm more active on there now. My Instagram, I will be posting something soon. My Snapchat, I'm active on. My Facebook is connected to my Instagram, so whenever I post on Instagram, I post on Facebook videos. So yeah, so again, comment down below, let me know what you all think, and I will see you in my next video. Yeah. Bye guys.
Go. Lean, drop a big popper, think I need a surgeon, doctor, fire department. I've been on a streak, no losses, we get sparked, and then I go and leave the surface, join my Martians. Set the timer, seat recliner, but I never ease my mind in perfect timing. Recommend they work low harder, switch the grind up temperature, the smoke is rising, where's the hydrant? Night and daily, dollars pay me, I'ma let it